How to log in to Netflix from iPhone. Logging into Netflix on your iPhone is simple. For that, follow these steps. First of all, in iPhone, open the App Store and make sure you have installed the Netflix app on your mobile device. As you have seen, I have already installed my Netflix app. Now all you have to do is tap on the Netflix icon on your home screen to open the Netflix app. Now, once done so, all you have to do is tap on the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the sign in to sign into your account. Once done so, all you have to do is enter your email or phone number and password in it and simply tap on the sign in option available there. If you have multiple profiles, select yours and browse, search and stream your favorite shows and movies. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.